Let's make a game. A guessing game. So let's import random. Let's make a minimum equals 1. Then let's make a maximum equals 3. Then the mystery number equals random parentheses minimum space maximum. Then let's print thinking of a whole number from minimum to maximum. Let's print guess my number and you shall be rewarded! Exclamation point. Let's run it. It's a good idea to test what we have done so far. We do this by printing. I'm thinking of a whole number from 1 to 3. Guess my number and you shall be rewarded. So let's type user answer equals input parentheses integer colon and space. And let's put an if user answer equals str parentheses mystery number at the end colon. We discussed the input last time, and this part checks whether the user answer is the same as the mystery number. The str converts the mystery number to a form similar to that of user answer. More explanation of str in the future. So let's enter, then let's print you got it. This message will only be printed when the answer is correct. We have to indent it so the computer knows it is part of the if block. Press backspace to indent. So let's create an else. The else block takes care of the situation when user answer is not the same as mystery number. This part is here because we want to print a message telling the user the mystery number and what their guess is. So let's print sorry, the mystery number is mystery number. Your guess was, then user answer. This is also indented, telling the computer this is part of the else block. So let's run it. I'm thinking of a whole number from 1 to 3. Guess my number and you shall be rewarded. So you can pick 3. Let's pick 2. 1. This is getting interesting. 1. 1. 1. Yay! Now we can enjoy our first game. Yay!